Hi, it's Rick from Do It Yourself Vintage Camper Rescue. Today we're going to talk about getting the skin off, and we're just kind of getting to that point of starting. I left some of the trim on to kind of show you. You see I removed all the windows in the back, the tail lights, and I left this, these are the strip edge trim. You want to be really careful of this, so you can reuse this. It's going to save you some money and some headache, especially when you got beds like this. So I already removed all the screws, and the butyl tape, or the putty tape is what they used back then, is just anything that's holding it. So when you're pulling it off, just make sure you really take care not to bend it. They say, I guess you see I got all the screws, all those screws on the inside, they all got to be removed first, and then just pull it off. Make sure you mark them so you remember which way they go, or probably figure it out, but save you a lot of headache of marking every piece. Any piece you remove, mark it. Even if you're going to be wood, if you want to trace it after a while, it's going to help you out. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed the video.